Hello guys, greetings to you wherever you're watching this from. This morning I was just, communicating with my creator, and the song just keep ringing in my mind. The song is Jesus, the Son of God. I believe in you. I believe in you. For those that know that song, it's a lot of message in that very short song. And this morning I was just ruminating on the song, and the next thing I was able to do is I was able to make a lot of confessions. I was doing a lot of confessions, confessing Jesus, you are the Son of God over my life. I believe in you. I believe in you over every situation that I found myself, when it is pleasant, when it is not pleasant, when it looks as though everything is good. Jesus, you are the Son of God. I believe in you. I believe in you as my protector. I believe in you as my provider. I believe in you as my Jehovah Jireh. All of these things were just going through my head. Then I began to feel like, wow. It's stirring up in my spirit when I was doing that this morning. I feel like, let me just share that confession with people this morning. That's why I had to post it on my Facebook. And that's why I said, just say this. No matter what you're facing, no matter the challenge, you might not be where you want to be, but at the same time, you should believe in Jesus. Jesus is the Son of God, and you believe in Him. It's a confession. And I can tell you that if you make this confession with the totality of your heart, you will feel a relief in your spirit, in your mind, that okay, no matter what is going on right now, no matter what I'm facing, Jesus, the Son of God, I believe in you. When the confession is made unto salvation, the Bible says that with your mouth you shall be, with the word of your mouth you shall be judged. Then the same word with of your mouth, confession is made unto salvation. So this morning, just make confessions. It doesn't matter what you're going through. Say, Jesus, the Son of God, I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you over my children. I believe in you over my wife. I believe in you over my friends. I believe in you over my relatives. I believe in you over my people around me. I believe in you over my pastors. I believe in you over my leaders. I believe in you over my mentors. I believe in you over my unborn children. Just say a lot of confessions. This is confession. It's time to confess it. So sometimes negative thoughts will want to just come to your heart, want to come to your mind. And sincerely, what you can do is you don't respond to negative thoughts with positive thoughts. The best way to respond to negative thought is positive confessions. You speak it out. You let that thought hear that you are speaking against it, and you will just overcome it that way. So guys, I'm just encouraging you today. Make confessions. Say, Jesus, the Son of God, I believe in you. And trust me, God is always ready and is going to come through for us. So guys, I just wish to drop this for us. I hope this help and save something in someone's spirit. See you again later, guys. Have a good and wonderful day. Bye.